Welcome back to my channel again. Hope you're all doing very fine. Well, in the previous video we discussed about the pre-workout meal, how it is helpful, how it is beneficial. In this video we'll be discussing about the post-workout meal. Post-workout meal should be consumed within 30 to 45 minutes after your workout. This is the time when the body is in urgent need of nutrition, and when you provide the good nutrients, it absorbs faster and helps in better muscle recovery. What happens during the workout? During the workout, your muscle starts breaking down. Muscle wear and tear happens. The waste products are generated, toxins are generated in the body. And also your stress level, the stress hormone level goes little up, because exercise is a kind of physical stress to the body. For this reason, the post-workout meal should consist of 4 components. First, water to quench your thirst and to prevent dehydration. Second, easily digestible carbohydrates like a banana or any fruit or a potato, sweet potato, to replenish your glycogen levels and also to maintain your blood sugar levels. Third, the first class protein rich foods like whey protein, paneer, eggs. For non-vegetarian like chicken, fish, even sattu drink is a good post-workout meal, because this helps in muscle resynthesis, prevents the muscle breakdown, and also helps in increasing the size and strength of muscles. And fourth is antioxidants to prevent the formation of free radicals, to recover the free radicals which is generated during workout. So I'll repeat again. First is water, easily digestible carbohydrates, protein rich foods, and antioxidants. This 4 should be there in your post workout meal. For example, I'll give you example like brown bread, potato paneer sandwich, brown bread with peanut butter, or a chapati with a peanut butter, brown rice, paneer and vegetables. You can have milk and cornflakes and nuts. Fruit, yogurt and nuts form a great combination. Even sweet potato or a banana with a whey protein, or a banana with a sattu drink. You can also go for eggs and toast. So these are the simple, easy going, handy post workout meal options which will help you to get all the nutrition which is required for the recovery and the recovery of the muscles. What are the benefits of having post workout meal? Why you should have it? If you will not have the post workout meal, you will not get the desired results what you are expecting over a period of time. So the post workout meal arrests the muscle breakdown. As I said, the muscle starts breaking down during your workout. So the post workout meal, when you have it, it prevents the further breakdown of muscles. It helps in the glycogen resynthesis. So whatever glucose levels has declined, it helps to rebuild it again. It increases the size and the strength of your muscles, so that you get, over a period of time, you get those strong muscles, those body built structure what you're looking for. And it also increases the blood flow to the muscles, which improves the nutrient delivery as well as the removal of the waste products like carbon dioxide, lactic acids. And it also reduces the stress hormone level, the cortisol levels. So these are the simple benefits what you get from the post workout meal. So it is very much necessary to include your pre-workout meal and a post workout meal along with your workout routine to get a desired results. I hope you found this video informative, and you will start including these meals in your along with your workout schedule. Subscribe to my channel to get more and more updates on health related videos. If you like this video, please press the like button. Share to as many people as you can, because most of them are unaware about this topic. They do hours and hours of workout, but post workout meal is mostly neglected. So please share to them as well. If you have any questions, doubts, comments, any feedback regarding the video, regarding the topic, please post in the comment box. I would love to have that and improve on that. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. See you soon.